Hello and welcome. In this Tip Tuesday that's probably coming to you on a Thursday, I'm going to show you a super helpful feature for messaging students and giving them reminders. So in Canvas, there is a gradebook, and you might be able to set that up with your PowerSchool gradebook, and I'll have more information on that soon. But essentially, what this gradebook does is it keeps track of all of your student data, and it's also a great place to send messages to students based on their assignment submission status. So, what that means is that you can send a message to all of the students who have yet to turn in an assignment or who have missing scores, or even to send a nice, encouraging note to students who committed and submitted it early, who did a really good job to celebrate their learning. So, what you'll do is you'll go to your Canvas course and you'll click the grades menu. For elementary, you can get to this by clicking Manage Subject, and it'll show up here on the left-hand side. And once I am there, this is what my view looks like. For any activity in Canvas that you have entered some type of scoring criteria or flagged it as an assignment where there can be a grade or an assessment piece, it's going to create a column here with that assignment name or whatever tool you're using, including quizzes as well as discussions that are graded. And this is where you're going to be able to message the students based on their assignment status. So right here is an example. I have this notes pear deck here. So I'm going to hover over this name, and then I'll click this three-dot button that appears. Then I'll select Message Students Who. So this is a fake course where these are actually all staff members that are enrolled in the students as this course. But I'll click Message Students Who, and then it opens a menu here where I can decide what group of student that I want to send this message to. So I can do it to all the students who have zeros right now. I could technically do have not been graded, which means this could be sent to students who have submitted it but don't have a score yet because I haven't entered it. I can send it to students who scored a certain thing, less than, or any students that I decide to reassign this to so they have another go, and I'm letting them know that I give them another go. So for this one, I'm going to do students who have not submitted it. If I want, I can technically click right here, and I can add individual students to this as well, in case there's others that I want to add this to. This is what the subject line is going to be if I have it flagged as not submitted, but I can change that if I want. And then here, I can add in any type of instructions I want from my students, telling them, like make sure you get this turned in by the due date, or the due date's passed. I really need to get an assignment from you, whatever you would like it to be. I can add any attachments here. If I paste the links into this assignment, it will work as a true link for my students. I can even record audio and video on this message as well, which may be a more accessible option for some of our students. Whenever I'm finished, I just click send. So super helpful hack here for sending those reminders to students. And if they have the student mobile app downloaded, then they'll get a notification that you have sent them this message. And it's easy for them to see that, be reminded, and hopefully go in and turn that in.